Boom. Now let's take it up a notch. It's much better. In this video, I'm going to share with you guys how I stepped up my video lighting. How's it going, guys? Andrei back here. Welcome back to yet another video. In this video, I want to share with you guys how to improve your video lighting setup with this guy. This is the JVM Great Video Maker Studio Lights. I wanted to share with you guys because I was always looking to improve my video lighting for my videos, and I just really wanted to share why this is such a great product and you guys should look at getting it as well. So first things first, what do you get? What is the price, and is it worth it? First things first, you get 3 of these suckers, 3 of these lights, right? These are bicolor lights, so if I turn it on, I'm gonna try not to blind you guys. Boom, so you get a nice cool color. Gets much brighter, which is absolutely amazing. And you can change the color temperature to whatever you want. It gets really nice and warm, and that's what I appreciate about it. So the kit that I bought was roughly $300 and $400. You got 3 lights, 3 solid stands, very well made. Diffusers that come with the light that you can swing in and out. Right here, it will come out. If I can make it, yeah, there we go. It will come out like that. And barn doors, so you can actually control the amount of light that you're getting. So I'm just gonna turn it off for now. You also get a nice carrying case that comes with it, so you can carry everything on location if you need. Extension cables and power cords, just exactly as you would want. Additionally, you can actually power these guys with some L series batteries, I believe they're called. These are just newer batteries, bought them off of Amazon for about 50 bucks, I believe it was. It came with a charger as well. So if you're on location, these come in super handy. I will link them down in the description below, as well as the lights and everything that I have mentioned in this video. But how did I step it up so much that I'm actually able to get this color behind me? Well, JVM does offer an RGB version. You get 3 lights again, and you get full control of the colors that you get, but those were about 800 Canadian dollars. That was a lot of money for me here at the office. So what did we do is we bought some cheap gels, and we literally, like, for these lights, how I got my background blue, we literally just taped, right here you can see some tape, we taped some gels. We taped some gels, and it creates this beautiful background color that I've always wanted. With a little bit of post-production, I can bring the color up even more, or I can intensify, change the hue slightly without affecting my skin tones. So we actually use pinks, greens, and we use it against the gray backdrop as you guys initially saw, and that's how I get my colored backgrounds. It comes in super handy for videos like these, even occasional photo shoots, interviews. It just makes things look a little bit nicer and a little bit more professional than just a simple gray background. It did save us roughly $500, $500 by opting out of the RGB version, just because we did know that we were able to use our gray background with our strobes initially to get the initial color that we wanted by using cheap $20 gels. So we bought a pack off of Amazon, we slapped them on. If you need a more intense color, buy 2 packs. Each pack comes with 2 of the same color. So I've got 1 blue on each side of these other lights. If I move this guy out of the way, and I shift here, you can see there's slight hot spots, and that's because I have lights to both sides. And we smacked the gel on each, we achieved this color, and it came in super handy to improve our video quality. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys are looking at buying something similar if you're looking to step up with your videos. And if you want more cool DIY tricks, videos for filmmaking, for photography, let me know down in the comments below what I should do, how I should improve the channel. And I'm just rambling on at this point. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe the like button. Subscribe the like button, because that's what's happening in 2020. We're all over the place. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. It would mean a lot to me, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.